In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT on your mobile phone or how to download it, install it, and use it as an application. So the first thing is, I want you to understand this, that ChatGPT has not yet officially announced any specific application for the Play Store or the App Store, but there are a lot of ways to utilize ChatGPT as an application on your phone. It's very simple. The first thing is you need to have an account with OpenAI or with ChatGPT. So I want you to pull up your Android device or your Apple device and get to any browser that you are using. For me, I use Chrome on my Android device. So I open the Chrome browser and I type in the web address chat.openai.com. So once I do that, I open the website and ensure that I am logged in. So once you get to this page, you need to ensure that you are logged in. Once you are here, you need to click on the three dots and you get a drop down menu like this. I want you to click on the option to add to home screen. Once you do that, you get a pop-up like this on screen to put a name for this shortcut. So you could just type in maybe ChatGPT directly and add it to your home screen. So the next time you want to open ChatGPT, you directly click on the icon and it takes you to the page for ChatGPT. So by doing this, you could directly use ChatGPT on your home screen. And as you know, ChatGPT is a very interesting tool. You could utilize this to your benefit. So that's it for this short tutorial on ChatGPT. If you got some value, give my video a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.